Welcome to Swathi Vlogs. Today's dish is corn vada. Come, let's start cooking. Firstly, take 150 grams of corn and blend it into coarse texture. Now take the blended corn into another bowl. Now add 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Add 2 tablespoons of gram flour. Add salt as per taste. Now add a cup of chopped onions, chopped capsicum, and coriander leaves. Now, mix it well. Now grab a pan and add an adequate amount of oil to fry the vada. Once the oil is hot, drop the vada batter and fry it. Once the vada turns into golden brown, they can be taken off the oil. Now the corn vada is ready to serve. Please like, share and subscribe for more delicious content. Thank you for watching.